Hey, yo. Send me your location. Let's focus on communication. Cause I don't need nothing else but you. Sometimes I wonder why I fool with you. This is new to me, this is new to you. Initially, I didn't wanna fall for you, but in my intention, it was all for you. So don't take advantage, don't leave my heart damaged. To understand that things go a little bit better when you plan it. Oh, so won't you send me your location? Let's focus on communication. I don't need nothing else but you. Send me your location. Let's ride the vibration. I don't need nothing else but you. Ride, 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 ride. You're coming home with me tonight. I don't need nothing else but you. Your location, let's focus on communication. I don't need nothing else but you. Ride, 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 ride. You're coming home with me tonight. I don't need nothing else but you. Whoa.
All right, give it up for Breanna. Hey, got you mean? Have a brilliant voice. I really like that one, you know what I mean? But we starting with you, Kisha. Yes, Kisha. We starting with you. Turn on that fire phone, please.
You are young and fresh, and I love the voice. I'm not going to stay too long. I just want to give you a 9. It's fun, and I like to have fun, no matter your age group. Thank you very much, Breanna. I love that performance.
Thank you for that, Kisha Las Vegas. Yes, Lady Tash, what you have to say about Breanna performance?
Beautiful. I can see the growth. I give you a 9 right now.
No joke. Instantly you're getting them. Tall boss, what you have to say about the female?
Yeah, man, Breanna. Well, she started out a little nervous, but she pick up, you know?
Yeah.
And think she have a nice voice, good writer. Come and listen to the song, you know? Yeah, man, and she remind me of Statious. You see it?
All right.
Yeah, man.
See.
So, give her 8.
All right, Breanna,
Yeah,
what you mean? Send us your location. Pick up yourself a big song, you know what I mean? Hopefully to see you in the next round, all right?